Hey Jacob, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a blog post on What the Fence website, wtfence.com, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up to embed a YouTube video short that you've been producing. I'm going to go ahead and recreate what I've already posted today from what you've sent me and what Georgia sent me. So I'm at the login screen at the moment. And you'll use your own login credentials that I'm going to send you later on. But once you get to this page, you'll click on Login. And once you get logged into the system, then come over here to the left-hand menu and go to Posts and click on Add New Post. Okay, the very first thing you want to do is add a title. Now the title that Georgia's created for this one is WTF does not have a bad side of the fence. So, does not have a bad side, excuse me, of the fence. Okay. Second, we want to come over here to categories, and this is going to fit under fences. But if fences, gates, or miscellaneous doesn't work for you and you want to add a new category that better fits the blog post, then you can do that by clicking on this link here. Not going to do it now, but it's real self-explanatory. Then we want to scroll down here to featured image. And as I'd mentioned earlier in our meeting, that all featured images should be 800 by 800 pixels at 72 pixels per inch resolution. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use a multitude of free image manipulation software that's out there. There's a lot of free online stuff where you can go in there and create this. But the images that you take are typically going to be, either landscape or portrait, and they need to be square in this instance. So what I'm going to do is click on Set Featured Image, and I'm just going to use the one that we've already created, since this is a tutorial and we've already actually posted the blog article that we're talking about. So I've clicked on this. I've gone in here to alt text. That helps with SEO to describe what the picture is that you're inserting. So I just put no bad side to the fence. And then I'm going to set featured image by going down there to the lower right hand corner. Now, the next thing is to use the Divi builder. And what we're going to do is find an existing blog post, and we're going to clone that. Once this loads, what we're basically going to be doing is taking the text that Georgia produces, and we're going to highlight everything except for this Contact Us, because we're going to use what's already on the page that we're going to clone. So copy all of this text from the document that she sends you. And then come over here to Clone Existing Page in Divi. I'll let this load. And then I'm going to select this one here, this deterioration of privacy fences. That'll be a good one to use. And then you can use that every time, in fact. And then use this layout. So click on that. And what it's going to do is it's cloning that layout, but it does have the new title, and it's got the featured image that we created. Now, we want all of this text to go away and be replaced by what she's sent here, but we also need room for that embed for the YouTube video shorts. Content that's going to go in here. So what I would recommend doing is coming in here to this light color, this light gray, and click on this icon here that says Change Column Structure. And we want to change it to like a 2/3, 1/3 layout. So this left-hand column is going to be for your written content, and the right-hand column is going to be for your embedded code for the video short. So click on this. And you see how it split things up. We want to go in here. I've already copied that content from the Word doc that Georgia sent. I'm going to come all the way down to here, not select that because that's a good link. We want to leave that at the base of everything. Once that's highlighted, do your Control or Command V, depending on what operating system you're on. Oop, sorry about that. Let me go back to this doc here. I had the wrong thing copied. I want to copy that. And then I want to go back here, and I'm going to do a Control V. Now this is the content we want here. Okay. Now that looks good. And then we hit that. Now we want to go back to the YouTube video. And if you right click on this, you'll notice that it gives you several options here. You want to come down here to copy embed code. Click on that once. Go back to WordPress and click on this plus sign here in this new column that we created. And then you want to put in a code module, so type in code in the search, or you could scroll down and find it either way. But you want this code module, so click on code. Once that comes up, then do a Command or Control V to paste that embed code in there, and voila, there you got it. So we've got your heading, we've got your featured image, we've got your text, and we've got your video short embedded on the right hand side of this column here. And if this was a real post for the first time, I would come down here to the lower right hand corner and hit publish. If you are in the middle of working on something, you get interrupted and you're not ready to publish, you can always hit save draft, and then you can come back in and open the draft and finish it. But in this case, since this is a tutorial and we've already posted this, I am not going to go in here and do either of these. So just want to let you know. And then I'm going to put a link in the bottom of this description for this microphone I was talking to you about. I'm wearing one right now. That's what I'm recording this video for or with. And I think it'd be a good choice for you. It's fairly inexpensive. Don't remember what it costs now, but it's a lot less than like a Rode or something like that costs $300 or $400. And you can use this with your idea about riding a bike around the neighborhood and having somebody else video you. They can always pick up your voice because you're going to be wearing this right on your shirt. So if you have any questions, please let me know and we'll go from there. Thanks.